Good afternoon, everyone. I'm back here again. Just a video of my Mustang. I'm actually installing some inside LED lights that I've had. And what I did so the wires won't all be showing, I wish I could have started the video before I started doing it, but I popped the little thing over the manual, the stick. I popped it up so I can stick all the wires back behind it, so the wires won't be all over the place in the way of this stick right here, and just, you know, won't look cluttered up with wires all right here in the front. So yeah, I popped this up right here and stuck the wires back there, because here's the main compartment thing that controls the lights. And you see it has a plug. Here's the other end of the plug right here. I'm just gonna feed the wire through there and plug it in, so this one wire will be showing, you know, just like that. And one wire will be showing. But yeah, I'm gonna try to run some, put one on the side right here, one on this side, and I guess find somewhere in the back on both sides, you know, to put them, just to have a little night light inside the car whenever I want to. Yeah, that's about all. And yeah, I actually went to Pipes Auto Pull It to find a side mirror for my driver's side door, and they only had one, but the mirror was busted in, so didn't get that. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish installing these lights. Like I said, if you want to keep up with my Mustang, my 04 Mustang GT, the 40th anniversary, like, subscribe, and comment to my channel, and more videos will be up soon. Thank you.